Homemade.
Homemade bomb. The third try. Third design. The grass is burnt there. Load her up. So heavy.
Oh shit. Bit of gaffer tape. Right. I'm gonna have to be quick with this, aren't I?
Alright, here we go. Oh, hang on a sec.
Fuck, this is shit.
What is that?
Fuck. Ow, fuck. Right. Abort.
I bought that little flint thing.
Which one first?
Just gonna do this one of the side ones.
Shit, I've got some. I'm standing in front of it. Fuck that. You piece of shit. It's not gonna work, is it?
What do you mean it's not gonna work? Is it windy?
Just lights gash.
It's breezy.
Right, second attempt.
Whatever that is, it is terrible.
Here we go. It's windy. Fuck. This is one kind of shitty lighting.
Don't just like that one. You need to
Oh shit.
like the bottom. Get the. Oh my god. Almost got annihilated then.